So, pumayag siyang makipag-date ulit sa'yo. It's now time para mas makilala mo pa siya ng mabuti. Ano pa nga bang pwede mong itanong sa kanya? Here are my 3 suggestions. Number 1, what's something you're really passionate about and how did you get into it? Di ba when someone asks about our passion, our eyes suddenly lit up? Not only because we've got to talk about our interests, but it implies that someone is curious about our passion. Number 2, what are the little things that make your day better? This question suggests that you're looking forward to be with this girl every day and that you're willing to provide the little things that make her happy. Number 3, who's the most influential person in your life? The answer here will tickle her sentimental side by showing who and what she values most. This will let you peek into her vulnerability and what she's proud of at the same time by allowing her to tell the story of the person she's fond of and the reasons behind it. Now that you're getting to know each other deeper, both of you should assess if your values align or not. Shared values build a strong foundation and reduce conflicts. Kung ngayon pa lang hindi na kayo magkasundo, just move on so as not to waste time. Remember, you're dating to marry and not dating to feel sorry.